Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a kind-hearted merchant named Romu. He owned a donkey named Bola, who was strong and capable, but had a penchant for laziness. Every day, Romu would load Bola with heavy sacks of salt and journey to the market across a river. Bola, however, disliked carrying such burdens and constantly sought ways to lighten his load. One day, as they were crossing the river, Bola accidentally slipped and fell into the water. To his surprise, the salt dissolved, making the load significantly lighter. Bola was overjoyed and thought, "What a brilliant idea." From that day on, Bola made it a habit to intentionally fall into the river, pretending to slip, so the salt would dissolve, and he could carry a lighter load. Romu soon realized Bola's trickery. Determined to teach him a lesson, Romu replaced the salt with cotton in the sacks. The next day, as expected, Bola fell into the river. But this time, the cotton absorbed the water, making the load heavier than before. Bola struggled to carry the wet, heavy cotton, and understood the consequences of his laziness. From that day forward, he worked diligently and never tried to deceive Romu again.